Enterprise gridlock usually isn't a code problem, it's a coordination problem. When sales, legal, and engineering have competing incentives, projects stall out. To solve this, I built Nexus. Nexus is a Slack integrated resolution engine that combines game theory, static code based analysis, and generative AI to mathematically unblock stalled projects.
Let's look at a live scenario. Sales wants to move to usage-based billing to unlock $2 million in ARR. Engineering is blocking it because they hate the legacy code. When we prompt Nexus, it dynamically extracts these stakeholder incentives and runs a Monte Carlo simulation. Let's look at it. In a simultaneous vote, the verdict is clear. The project is blocked. Engineering's perceived cost is too high, preventing a Nash equilibrium. But Nexus doesn't stop here. It recalculates using cascade dynamics to prove mathematically that a phased rollout works. If we get sales and product to publicly commit first, their organizational momentum generates enough peer pressure to safely bring legal and engineering on board. To understand why engineering is resisting, Nexus runs a live abstract syntax tree scan over our Python repository. It does this statically without executing any code. It builds this interactive dependency graph and flags billing core as a massive structural bottleneck. Based on the number of tight dependency edges, Nexus calculates the exact technical debt. It tells us this specific bottleneck will cost exactly $6,960 in engineering hours to safely migrate. We have just put a concrete dollar value on the team's friction. Identifying the bottleneck isn't enough. We need a solution. When I click AI Architect button, Nexus acts as a staff engineer. It targets that exact bottleneck file and rewrites it using the adapter design pattern. This cleanly decouples our internal systems from Stripe, ensuring zero downstream files break. Notice that the output is bilingual. It gives the CEO an executive translation using a simple wall outlet analogy so they understand the business value while giving the engineering team the production ready code they need to actually do the work. Nexus doesn't just summarize stat threats, it models the organizational politics, prices the technical debt, and writes the architectural code to fix it. Thank you.